Hi there, this is Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. I'm on my website right now. There's a video that plays at the top, and then I also have buttons for the HealthyNULiving to register for free. And also links to my team building marketing system. It's all automated and it has follow-up emails. Both of the links have capture pages and splash pages, but I like to use both just because the marketing system is really smooth, and that's how I entered. I entered through when I joined, and I first found this opportunity through a solo ad from my sponsor. I had no idea who my sponsor was. I had no idea what the team build was or what the program was. I figured I could just unsubscribe if I didn't like it, but it was a nice looking capture page. I put my information in, and then I got inside, and it was very, very smooth. I liked the way it was set up, so I joined for free in the team builder marketing system, got that free, and then inside there I clicked on the link and joined HealthyNULiving, which I didn't even hear about, didn't even know about the program, but I've fallen in love with this company. The admin just called me yesterday. She's very sweet. She called me from Wisconsin. Her name is Eva Simone. She's the co-owner. And John, I don't know his last name. I can't pronounce his last name, but John and Eva are the owners of the company. They used to have a comp plan that was all complicated and wasn't really working right. They used to have a 2-up, and then they went to a 5x5, but now what they have now is really, really working great. If you need some fast income, daily pay, the Fast Start $25, you could make a lot of money, and I'm going to make a lot of money just from the Fast Start commissions. It's a $30 admin fee. I mean, it's a $30 admin fee for a membership, so you can get bigger discounts on the products and be in the comp plan. $30. That does not include your product purchases. They don't force you to buy products, but a lot of us are. I bought products, and I'm going to make a video unboxing and opening my product that I got in the mail yesterday. It was gummies to help people sleep. It's got melatonin and a few other things in it, but $14. It was delivered for $14. Where can you go to a network marketing program or an MLM that has products which includes shipping for $14? You probably cannot find anything for $14 on their whole website. Most everything they have is $100 or $80 a bottle for a supplement, for a lotion or a potion. The prices are incredible even without the discounts, but free members, if you register for free, you get a 20% discount. If you register and pay the $30 admin fee and become an affiliate to build a business, you get 33% discount. So this program is incredible. It's got a 100% match bonus. It's got the residual income with the Matrix team build. Plus you get daily pay. It's global. It's worldwide. Now they're going to send me an email to get my Pay Quicker card, because once you have 2 people, you have $50 in your back office, and then you can cash out when you get the Pay Quicker card. You just withdraw with your Pay Quicker card anywhere in the world. Once you get your Pay Quicker card, you just take your money every day, and they keep $30 in there every month for the fee. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of the website. The link's going to be down below in the video description. You can check out my funnel I'm making for me and my team members. I do have several people on my team already. I'm going to show you down here. It has, I'm your sponsor, your go-to guy and helper, your coach, your mentor, your friend, Michael Jensen. If you have questions, call me. There's my phone number. Call me 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 352-286-8014. Say your name slowly twice. A lot of people talk fast and I can't write down their number or call them back. Say your number and your name, first name and last name, slowly twice. And here's my email address too. I am Michael Jensen from Daily Cash Team. I'm putting together sales funnels with videos explaining things. I'm even making branded videos for my team members because I have team members right now, but when it gets to be a big team, I'm probably going to have to charge $5 or $10 to make these branded videos so that the video on your page is not linked to me. If they click on the video, it's not going to have a link. It's going to be a generic video. There's not going to be a link in the description, but I'm making branded videos. I'm branding the front of the video, the intro and the outro, the ending of the video and the beginning of the video with your name or your username or your company name or whatever, and then I'm uploading the video to my channel. I have many different YouTube channels, but I'm trying to make it generic as possible so that my downline can keep their leads, because I don't want people clicking on my link and getting the cookie on their phone or their computer. Which reminds me, when you sign up for HealthyNULiving or the Team Builder marketing system, do it in an incognito browser or a private browser, or clear your cache and cookies, because you may have clicked on somebody's link and you're going to be upset, and your sponsor is going to be upset if somebody clicks and then they sign up and pay, or if they sign up and join the program and there was a cookie on their phone or their computer. You need to clear your cookies and your cache, because you may have clicked on somebody else's HealthyNULiving link or the Team Builder link. There is cookies on websites when you go there, and if the cookie is still there on your computer or your phone, you're going to be signing up under somebody else, and you're not going to have the sponsor and the admin. It's going to cause a headache for the admin. Just clear your cookies and your cache before you sign up, or use a private browser, incognito, or use a device. Sign up with a device that you know has never been to the website. I'm just trying to make sure that you stay faithful and everything runs smoothly, so you have the sponsor that you want. So click the button below this video. And I was going to say one other thing. Oh, the $30 fee. A lot of people are buying products, but the $30 affiliate fee, which we get the $25 fast start, that does not include a product. So people are confused, and I was confused when I signed up. You don't get a product, you're just getting, that's your monthly fee for 30 days. But once you start getting people in, you're going to get that $25 a pop fast start commission. It's daily pay. So don't worry about the $30. As long as you bring in your 2 people a month, you're going to have $50 to pay your monthly $30 fee. It's not a big deal. This pays daily, residual income. It's powerful, and the products are great. I'm Michael Jensen. God bless you. Jesus is Lord, and He's coming soon. Thank you. Go down below, click on the link or the button below this video. Sign up under the sponsor that showed you and told you about Daily Cash Team and HealthyNULiving. Sign up under them. Be faithful, be kind, be nice. I will still coach and mentor you if you sign up with your sponsor. Just do a 3-way call with me, and I'll help you both at the same time. God bless you. Jesus is Lord. Thank you. Bye-bye.